India-China border disputes are popped up again since the Galwan standoff in June. Both the nations are making huge increments in their military in Kashmir. Talks are going on to resolve the issue in peaceful manner. In next few minutes, we will be discussing the roots and origin of the dispute. Is the China or India or someone else is responsible for the problem? Hello friends, my name is Nishant. You are watching The Third Angle and here we go. Disputes are mainly along two sectors, in west at Ladakh and east at Arunachal Pradesh. Starting with the dispute at Ladakh, the part of Ladakh illegally occupied by China is called as Aksai Chin. Xinjiang is the region of China which in particular shares boundary with Ladakh. British India proposed the Johnson Line in 1865 as a boundary. This was age of Dungan revolt in China, and Xinjiang was not under control of China, hence the boundary was only ratified by the King of Kashmir. In 1878, there was end of revolt and China reconquered the Xinjiang. It started placing boundary markers along the Karakoram range. Then Britain proposed McCartney-Macdonald line along the Laksang range, but this line too remained just a proposed line and was neither ratified by China nor by British India. Still until 1959, China unofficially accepted it as a boundary line. Now, if we go with Johnson line, Aksai Chin belongs to India, and if we follow the McCartney-Macdonald line, it belongs to China. And sad reality is, China has occupied much further than both of the lines as per its claim line of 1960 and occupied the region in the War of 1962. Britain never made a serious attempt to fix the boundaries during the colonial rule. And further havoc is, both lines were just proposed and marked on the paper, but neither Britain nor the government of India even after independence had actual control on the land. They never sent army, they never built posts in the region and hence never actually occupied it. This dispute may be considered as one of the gifts to us by the Imperial Britain. Another major dispute is in Arunachal Pradesh. Dispute here is, China claims the Arunachal Pradesh to be the part of southern Tibet. Origin of this dispute can be traced back to the Shimla Accord of 1914. Shimla Accord was called for the settlement of boundaries between the Tibet and British India. The agreement was to be signed between the four countries, British India, Tibet, Sikkim and China. But China walked out of the agreement saying that Tibet is under suzerainty of China and should not be involved in the agreement. Due to this, the boundary was fixed by the British India, Tibet and Sikkim. This boundary fixed in Shimla Accord is called as McMahon Line. Britain did not even send the map and revised boundary to the China for ratification. The reason was World War I and Britain needed China in the war. And this line became disputed till now. In broad sense, if we see carefully, we are all the victims of power struggle between the imperial countries, mainly the struggle between the Western powers and Soviet Union. Unlike the Afghanistan, Britain wanted to use Tibet as a buffer state between the India and Imperial Russia. Hence, without any concern from China, boundaries were fixed. Analyzing by a third angle, besides India and China, the origin of disputes seemed to be deep-rooted inside the history when both nations were not even independent. Some causes may be traced in the evolution of the disputes. You may tell me in comments who according to you is responsible for the disputes. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in the another video. Stay tuned with The Third Angle.